And here are the perfectly cooked frozen vegetables. Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen vegetables in an Instant Pot. What we need for this recipe is a bag of frozen vegetables and a cup of water for pressure cooking. And also we need seasonings, any seasonings you'd like. I'm just going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So let's open the bag of frozen vegetables. No need to defrost them, we're cooking it straight from frozen. And I'm going to open the Instant Pot and pour a cup of water in the Instant Pot and dump the frozen vegetables in the Instant Pot. Now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 0 minutes. So 0 minutes pressure means that the vegetables are cooking during the time it takes for the Instant Pot to come to pressure, and this is just enough time. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has fully released and the pin has dropped, so we can open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are the perfectly cooked frozen vegetables. See how easy it was to cook these vegetables in an Instant Pot? Now let's season them. I'm just going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and you can use any seasonings you like. So good. The texture of these vegetables is perfect. It's well cooked yet crisp, not mushy, just the way the steamed vegetables should be. Now let's try it. Delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.